Hello.
Hello.
We just got a loot crate.
You got a loot crate.
Let's see what we got.
What?
You want to see what we got?
What?
Ooh, what do we got?
Ooh.
Show.
Ooh, I got this.
What is it? Let's check it out. Is it a poster?
No.
Ooh, is it the Joker?
It's Joker.
And Harley Quinn?
Uh-huh.
You're like, I don't want to try that one. Ooh, it's perforated. Which one do you want?
I want this one.
You want that one? Isn't it really scary?
No, that's not scary.
No, not scary.
No scary. It's not scary.
I get to have this one? Or is that for mommy?
I'm for mommy.
Okay. Let's see. Look at this.
Whoa.
It's Joker. Oh, it's Jokey. It's a cross between Joker and
Oh.
Loki. So awesome. And then, what's this? Show? Show them. Show.
So.
What you doing? Okay, look.
Oh,
Wait.
I see.
Look. Show them this. What's this? This is Deadpool socks?
It's socks.
Isn't that cool?
Hey, I see.
Here. What's this?
That's
Is that Darth Vader?
No.
Oh, ho. From Angry Birds?
Angry Bird.
Here, let's open it up. This one gonna be yours? What's that? Go that way.
Hey, look. I found. What color is it?
It's a DVD. It's blue. Isn't that a cool keychain? Is that yours?
Yeah, that's mine. That's one of my keys.
Ooh, and there's a little booklet that goes with it.
Is it?
Oh yeah, Darth Vader. And that's... Who's that?
I know.
You don't know?
That's for that sock.
Oh yeah, it's the same as the guy on the sock. Is that Deadpool?
Yeah, Deadpool.
Yeah. And then look, there's a little button.
Just a little button.
And then, did you get... What's that?
I know.
Is that a comic book?
Comic book.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, let's say she was doing that.
Is that Thanos and Rocket Raccoon?
You need to open it.
I don't know. It's in packaged. You want to look at it? Maybe later. And then look at the box. Isn't that silly?
I see a Batman.
Is it got Batman in it? See? You got Joker and Batman. And then you got also
Joker
scribblings.
And Batman. Oh, that's not Batman.
That's not Batman? Is that Batman? Who's that?
Joker.
And that's...
Batman.
Yeah.
And what's that?
That's Joker taking a picture. And that's Harley Quinn. Isn't that neat? Do you like all the cool stuff? Awesome.
I can sound like me.
Probably my favorite. Deadpool socks.
That's my favorite.
That one's your favorite?
Yeah.
Do you like the poster?
It's more than a map.
It's a map.
Yeah.
Is it treasure map?
Treasure map.
Did Joker hide a treasure map in his poster? Is that a telescope? What do you see?
I see Captain Hook.
You see Captain Hook?
Look, she's right there.
Ah.
He's right here. He's back. He's back.
So what do you say to Loot Crate? Say thank you?
Thank you.
Awesome. High fives.
want to see Batman?
You want to see Batman?